Hello and welcome. So today, as I'm sure you can tell by the title of this video, we've got Red Velvet's newest album, Birthday, but the full title's the Reve Festival, I think, something like that, right? Pretty sure that's the full name. Yeah, the Reve Festival 2022 Birthday. The full, that's a title. It's a very, very long title because I think they had the Feel My Rhythm as well, but this is Birthday. So I have the photo books and I have the Digipacks in here with the Ktown4u POBs. So I also have Makestar. I'll open those later, the photo books as well. So let's open this. This box is very full. Little baggie. Posters. I also have Dio's Bad Prosecutor in here, I'm pretty sure. Well, it should be. I ordered them with this just because it would be easier that way. So I'll have to take that out because I'm not opening that in this video. But let's see. Got, I think, what are the Digipacks? Okay, so we got one of the photo books. Do not know how we stacked it in here. So I bought 5 Digipacks for all 5 Digipacks. I think that was the cards. Yeah, there's the cards. Okay. So I bought 5 for the photo books because I wanted all 5 cards. So I'm trying to do this in a way where I don't have to unravel the bubble wrap, but it's looking like I might have to, maybe. Last Digipack. And photo book. And then the OST for Bad Prosecutor, but that will not be open today. But I have, I guess, 3 of, oh god, what are the versions again? So we got 3 of the recipe version and 2 of the Reve version. So we got those. Don't need all of these right now, but I will open those after. And then we have the 5 Digipacks that are very much not in order. It's Joy, Seulgi, Wendy's in the middle, right? I think. Oop, dropping shit. I think that's the right order, right? Seulgi comes before Wendy, right? I don't remember. I think so. I love how I know their color order too. Okay, but I do have the cards. Cute, so pretty. Why is Joy so blurry? Okay, let's start with Irene. So here's Irene's. Not quite a selfie, but there's Irene's. And then I'm really hoping I'm not butchering this age order right now. I think it's Seulgi, but I might be wrong. It's either Wendy or Seulgi goes second. I don't remember which one. There's Seulgi. Very pretty. Got Wendy. These are long nails. Got Wendy. All the backs are the same. Very pretty. We got Joy, which hers is like really blurry. I'm assuming it's just like the photo that was taken. Like it just looks blurry. Like you can see that it's not quite like clear. Yeah, it's the photo. And then we got, if I can get it out, we got Yeri. Which this one's so cute. Look at her little cheeks. So cute. Okay, those are all 5 for Ktown4u. Hopefully in the right order. So there's those. And then I guess we could probably start with photo books before we even do the Digipacks. So we've got the photo books, the recipe and the Reve. But we're gonna do the recipe one first. Is the sticker on the outside? No, I think the sticker's on the inside. It is on the inside. Okay, good. I'm gonna take the plastic off just to make life a little easier. Taking the plastic off. If I can take the plastic off, I apparently started at a really terrible spot. Let's try it again. So from what I understand, because I was just looking at the album details for this, for the photo book version, and there's random 1 of 5 for the photo cards, and then there's random 1 of 7 for the Polaroids. So I have 10 of these albums, so I'm hoping to pull everything that I need. But yeah. So the front, the back. I love this concept, and obviously it does have a spine. It's a book like that, but I want to see if I can take everything out without seeing anything. Oh, I already saw my card. I already know who my card is, but whatever, nothing I can do about that. So I'm going to zoom in. Shaking way too much. Okay. I love that this isn't like a regular photo book, because it's so much easier to turn the pages when it's like this. I mean, I imagine it's really hard to store. I love this concept though, which this album, by the way, 10 out of 10. Birthday, good song. Title track, amazing. Like, it is red velvet. I just love this whole like mouth thing. We got Yeri, Wendy, Joy. Am I tripping, or have we not seen Seulgi yet? Am I tripping? Oh, Seulgi was like at the beginning. Oh, okay. My brain was like, I don't remember seeing Seulgi. Okay, sorry. Couldn't remember if we saw Seulgi. And then here's some of the units. These are also like really pretty. Like, look at that. Just stunning. And got this one. Like this. So much easier to flip than like an actual photo book where you're like turning it. Joy, Wendy, Joy and Wendy. See, I love how they put Polaroids in these photos when they actually gave out Polaroids as one of the inclusions. Unlike in when I did Chen's unboxing, I noticed they did that for Chen, but then they didn't have any Polaroids that came in the album, which like made no sense to me. It's like if you're gonna have Polaroid like pictures in like the photo book, why wouldn't you give? Ooh, good song. I love this song. It's probably like my favorite B-side out of all the B-sides so far that I've listened to. That was definitely my favorite. But yeah, the Polaroids. That's so cute. Got Yeri. And I love how it's called birthday and they have like a birthday version, which I do have those coming. It's just I don't have them yet because you know, I'm sure as most people struggled with like trying to pre-order it because it went out of stock. So I had to buy them off like an eBay seller. They had them member priced, so I had to buy all 5. Every member was like a slightly different price. But yeah, on a ride. But I do have those coming eventually. They haven't shipped yet, but I will have those hopefully soon. And I will unbox those too soon. That's where we're getting to that pink runway thing. It's so pretty. I'm going horizontal. Joy. Group photo. Wendy. I don't know why, I'm just loving this like pink Jeep. I don't know why, just loving the pink Jeep. Like very bright pink Jeep. Wow, that's very pink. Like that is very pink compared to like these darker like pinks. Which by the way, I'm sorry about the lighting. It's like raining / snowing right now, so it's very cloudy. But I wanted to film this. Ooh, Celebrate's also a really good one. All the songs on this album are really good. But yeah, I apologize for the lighting though. Can't control what the how much sun comes through my window because I have my whole curtain opened and this is as much light as I'm gonna get. Credits. Cute that we end with a group photo. Got the CD. Very, very bright, like neon, like green or yellow. Like the CD looks more green, but the paper looks more yellow. Like this looks more yellow, that looks more green. And the back. Yeah, there you go. Like it. It's probably like their most like unique like album. Well, actually no, I think the cake version will be once I actually have that in my possession at some point. But I got the stickers. Stickers. And then we have SM ad, like always. Virtual exhibition. Yeah, okay, SM. Let's go with the Polaroid. Got this unit. It feels very much like a real Polaroid. Not like a printed Polaroid. See how this is like matte? That's glossy. But yeah, we got this unit with Irene, Seulgi, and Yeri. And then the photo card, which I already saw, was Irene. Which, woo, Irene. Very, very pretty. I love the little clips in her hair. I love the shade of pink, though. It's so pretty. But let's move on to now the Reve version. Okay, so now we got the Reve version. So let's open this too. Okay, so we got the Reve version. It's the yellowy green neon sticker. It's the back, which you can see all the little like paper shavings that are getting stuck to the thing. Well, not stuck. Okay, because I don't want to spoil myself. Okay, so we got the Reve version. This is already feeling like it's the exact same. Just like in a different border. I'm not crazy, am I? These photo books aren't the same, are they? Don't tell me SM did that thing where they did that thing again. It's like I'm having deja vu already. Is it the same? Okay, so that's the next page. Next page. Okay, well, I think they're the exact same, aren't they? All the way through? Yeah, I think they are all the way through. I guess we'll just kind of, just in case if anything's different, which I don't think it is. I think these are all the same. They're looking like they're all the same. Well, that sucks. So it's literally just the cover that's different. Oh, kind of like what they did with Chen's like Digipack. Because I opened that not too long ago and it's like, what's the point of that? They probably took so many different photos. Okay, well, this is starting to feel different. Why are these ones starting to feel different? Hold on. I don't think those photos were in here. Really? I'll if I can flip to more or less the same page. Oh no, they are the same. I don't know why, but it was like, oh, these photos feel different. Especially like this one. But I guess I just don't remember it. I think all these are the exact same. That sucks. Yeah, these ones I remember. I'm just flipping through it just in case there's anything that's different. It's looking like it's all the exact same. Oh, that sucks. So it's just literally the outside, the cover, and the CD that are different. That's stupid. Come on, SM. Why the hell would you do that? I guess there's this version. Not really much of a version difference. Yeah, the stickers are even the same. Got the SM ad thing. Don't really care. Polaroid. Got Joy. Got Joy's Polaroid. Joy's Polaroid. And then a photo card. Ooh, I can already tell by the back. It's Joy. Oh my god, that is so cute. That is so cute. Look at her face. That's so cute. Joy. I love it signed in a color. Wait, was Irene's the same way? Oh, well, I guess she can't because the color of the photo card's pink and her color's pink, so it kind of wouldn't really work, would it? But yeah. So I got a Joy set. That's very cute. I'm really disappointed that this is the exact same as this one. Like, SM, why would you do that? Like literally, why? Like, why would you do that? Literally makes no sense. Okay, so I think what I want to do is I want to open the rest of these and open, honestly, probably open all the photo books in the Makestar that I have as well. So I'm gonna open these and then I'm gonna pull out the Makestar and open those too. That's the plan, instead of me just going straight into the Digipack and then it's, you know, might as well just save the Digipack for last. But yeah, I'm glad it wasn't something like, oh, there's 5 for this version and 5 for the other version. It's 5 in total, which I guess sort of makes up for it. Kind of, not really. It sucks that it's all the same. Oh god. Okay, well, we got another Joy set. Ooh, it's feeling thick. It was stuck together. It's like a thing. Oh, tell me that comes off. Oh, it came off. Boom. Woo. Is this one thick too? No. Hopeful thinking, you know. Not like I really need a lot of these. So we got lots of Joys now. So now we have 3 of these Joys. And then 2 of these Joys. Should probably pull out the Irene as well, but I don't think there's anything else. Okay. I'm just gonna throw this back in there. Throw the SM ad with the other SM ads. Okay. So let's pull the Irene out too. So we've got this unit and this Irene. And then for this one, okay, we got a Wendy this time for the Polaroid. Wendy, Polaroid, and then we've got Irene again. Irene. I think that's it. The CD's starting to fall out. Okay. But yeah, I don't think there's anything else. Didn't mean to push it like that. Okay. The last one from the Ktown4u. Okay. Okay, we got an all Irene Polaroid. So it looks like the Polaroids are more distributed better than the photo cards because I got another Joy photo card. I have 3 Joys. Joy is blessing me that apparently this come back. Yeah. Just want to make sure there's nothing else. I highly doubt it. So far I got an Irene set and a Joy set. Right. But I want to open this. So I'm gonna open this. Let me take this and I'm just gonna open this. These also came with posters, apparently. Great. Well, I got a lot more posters. Posters, posters, posters. Lots of posters. We do have these. And that's so pretty. Look at the Irene. Already off the bat. Makestar. Oh, these are so pretty. Look at that Yeri. Oh, so pretty. Okay. Let's start off with Irene. It's like I couldn't English for a moment there. I think the only difference is the fact that it says Makestar at the bottom. But there's Irene's. Then we'll go Seulgi. Still don't know if this is the right age order. Seulgi. We got Wendy. Wendy. They're pretty. I'm trying to somewhat go through this kind of fast because I don't want this video to be very long. But got Joy. Got Yeri. This one's so pretty. Look at that one. So pretty. I don't know if you could tell, but one of them stands out in color. Yeah, you can somewhat see it. It's this one. This one, a darker pink compared to these 4 that are a lighter pink. Why is that? It's the Wendy that's darker. Interesting. I wonder if they had to like reprint it. You can somewhat see it. But it's darker, the Wendy. One in the middle. I wonder why that is. But those are those. Okay, so let's take these out now. There you go. So we got, I think the same amount as the last time. Yeah, we got 3 of the recipe version and 2 of the Reve version. But what can you do? It is what it is. Should probably just put them off to the side as best as I can, and then I want to pull these back out again because I'm really bad at remembering what I have and what I don't have. So got the Irene set. So Irene is done. We've got, oh, Must have stuck together because I was like, I have a Wendy. Where is it? There it is. So I'm missing Seulgi. And then we got a lot of joy. Get it? A lot of joy. We have a lot of joy. No? Okay, cool. Got joy. And then we have one of the units. So, got no Yeri. No Yeri. Where is it? Oh, there it is. That is such a pretty Wendy. Oh my god. Those contacts though. Like, jeez. That's a really pretty picture. I'm surprised she didn't sign with blue. Is Joyce the only one that's written in a different color? Like, in her color? And there's Wendy's. So now we have a Wendy set. And then I got the same unit again. I'm missing the other unit. This I'm at, nobody really cares about. Okay. The last of the Reve version. Okay. There's like no easy way to like do this. So I want to like be able to show everything, but like still have the room. Oh god. Okay, well it's the same Wendy photo card, but we have a Yeri Polaroid, which is nice. We got a Yeri Polaroid. Samad. I don't think there's anything else. Nope. Okay. Okay, so now we're going through the recipe versions that I have here. Look at me trying to fight it. Oh. Stickers or something. Okay, so we got a Seulgi Polaroid, which is new. So I have every member's Polaroid. So the only Polaroid I'm missing is the other unit. And then now we have a Yeri's photo card. Really pretty. Signature. It's not cute. It's got one of those little hand finger things. Cute. And we have Yeri. So I'm missing one photo card. It's the Seulgi. One photo card, which is the Seulgi, and I'm missing one Polaroid, which is the other unit, which is the Wendy and Joy unit. It's the one I'm missing. Salmon. No, it's the same thing. So we got a Seulgi and a Yeri. Yeah. Oh, last one. Last one, last shot. I think I'll be able to trade the photo cards a lot easier, but the Polaroids might be a little bit harder. Just because it's not really, I feel like, a thing that a lot of people collect. So that's not going to be very fun. Okay, well, it's the exact dupe, so. Another Seulgi, Yeri. Well then. that's it. Those are all the photo books that I have. All the photo books. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then these are my pulls, I guess, right? I almost have all the sets. Like, it's almost there, but it's not quite there. The only set to complete the set is the Seulgi photo card that I'm missing. And then for the Polaroids, I'm just missing the other unit. But yeah, I mean, it's not terrible considering I bought 5 from one store and 5 from another. Both, like, you know, there's like a good chance that you pull like a lot of dupes. So yeah, but I think we should go and open the Digipacks now. So now we've got the Digipacks, all 5 of them. Digipacks. Which again, there's only 5 photo cards in all these. And I have 5 versions. So obviously I don't know if I'll pull every member. I mean, I think it's a better chance than me having, like, you know, all the same version. Then I'd have a higher chance of pulling dupes because they're all different, you know. But you'd also think that like, oh, if you bought Yeri's, like, you'd get Yeri's photo card. But no, of course not. I don't want to do it like that, but here's Irene's in the pink, which I should take the plastic off. I think these are all member specific, right? So all the like photo books and stuff are all different, right? I know there's a poster in here and you get the member of what you buy. So like with this one being Irene's, the folded poster in here is also Irene. It'll be the first thing that we open too, because that's how, ooh, they've never done that before. Oh, it's really small. Irene's mini poster. I don't know where to put that. My brain's going, And then we have the CD. Is this the same as the cake version? Like, is the CD the same as the cake version? I don't know. Looks a lot like it, though. But there's that. Which, wait, no, I did show both sides of this, right? Yeah, no, I did. Okay. So we got SM ad, which nobody really cares about. I am going to take out photo card, which I already saw, but you haven't seen yet, so I'm not going to spoil. So, front, ooh, back, credits. I love how this is all like in their each individual color. Irene. Yeah, I think this is very similar to the cake because they show the cakes in it. There. And then I saw the card, but you haven't seen the card, and it's Yeri. We got Yeri's card. So pretty. I love the little blue highlights. Are these the ones where they have, no, I think they all have the same color back. For some reason, my brain was going, you know. I was thinking it was based off of their color. So when I saw the purple, I kind of assumed it was Yeri as well. And I think I vaguely saw her face, so I kind of knew it was Yeri too. But let's open Seulgi's. Okay, so we got Seulgi's, the yellow one. Let's open it. Okay, so we got Seulgi, the front, back, side, and then we got the folded poster, which is Seulgi's, which this time it's vertical, with Irene's being horizontal. There's that. CD. And then we got a little photo book, which again, I'm just gonna pull that out. Oop. So we got Seulgi's. Cake decorating. I love this fuzzy hat. Love it, love it, love it. Got this one. We're cutting your lip. More fuzzy hat. And there's that. And then for the photo card, I got Wendy. Oh, that's so cute. You know what this reminds me of? Her solo photo cards. She's got like solo photo cards that are similar to this. But yeah, it's very cute. But I'm glad to have pulled a different member. So like, hopefully I'll pull all 5 members and I won't have to worry about it, right? Okay, so let's open, well, Wendy's. Okay, so we got Wendy's, the blue, okay, ooh, photo cards was sliding out. It was a sliding out. I don't even think it's in there, but it's sliding out for some reason. Here's Wendy's, which Wendy's on this half anyway, and that's just the other half, but it's Wendy's. So it's vertical. Wendy's. Then we got the CD. And then got this. Ooh. Trying not to like spoil the photo card. But here's Wendy's, the blue one. I still love that she's got like a drill. Frog ×7. That one. All ends with this group photo. there's that. And then we've got, I already saw a Pete. Okay, saw the back of it, but it's Irene. Yay, birthday. But yeah, there's that one. And so far we've pulled all 3 different members, so that's good. So let's go on to Joy. Okay, so we got Joy's, which is the green one. I'm trying to unbox these as fast as I can because like the sun is starting to go away and it's starting to get darker. So while I still have some light, I want to finish opening these. There's the front, back, side. The folded poster, which is this photo of Joy. It's also vertical. I think Irene's was the only one that was horizontal so far. There's the CD. Okay. Oh, you already saw it. I already saw it. You already saw it. I'm sad it's an Irene though, because it's just a dupe. But here's the thing. Words, photo book, mini photo book. This for Joy. Little lip ring. I kind of love the lip ring. There's that. And then as I'm sure you saw, as I saw, it's an Irene. So, my first dupe, unfortunately. My first dupe, no. But there's that. And then we have Yeri's version last, so. Okay, so last we have Yeri. Yeri's version. Oop. Can't. I don't want to scratch it. Okay. So here we got Yeri's. I will try not to drop the photo card this time, so I don't spoil myself. Kind of just slid out. Yeah, I had a feeling. Yeah. So here we got another horizontal, or vertical, sorry, poster for Yeri. Irene's was the only one that was horizontal. CD, which I love. My favorite color is purple, so like, you know, me and Yeri, twinsies, okay. But yeah. Let's not drop the photo card. So let's not spoil the photo card. So just okay. Yeah. Okay, so here's the front, back. It's like a fuzzy cowboy hat, and I love it. Little hammer. So pretty. They're all so pretty. Okay. there's that one, and the photo card is Wendy. So we got 2 dupes, the Irene and the Wendy. And I'm missing, who am I missing? Joy and Seulgi, I think, yeah. Joy and Seulgi. But yeah, that's it really. It's all my red velvet albums that I have at this moment. I have the cake versions coming, so I bought all 5 for all 5 members. And I do eventually have to get the SM innies, the little, what people are saying, the new replacement to the Kinos. So I have to get those too. But yeah. Thank you so much for watching my unboxing of both the photo books and the Digipacks. And I tried to somewhat fit it all, but like it's really awkward with these really being really big and those being really small. But I tried to fit everything. But I hope you enjoyed my unboxing for Red Velvet's newest album, the Reve Festival 2022 birthday, with the Ktown and the Makestar, which out of these 2 sets, I think this one's my favorite. Not even just like the fact that it's like holographic. It's just, I really like these photos a lot more than I like these photos. But, so I'm going to be trading one of these photo cards for the Seulgi I'm missing. And then trading one of the Polaroids for the other unit I'm missing. And then obviously the Digipacks. I have an extra Irene and a Wendy, which I'm going to need a Joy and a Seulgi. So that'll be hopefully up on my Instagram by the time this video comes out. But thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you again. Have a nice day, night, or evening, or whatever time or day that you watch this. And I hope to see you again. Thank you. Bye.